You are not broken. You're unfinished. The pain you carry is not your identity. It is your starting point. No one is coming to save you. Not tomorrow, not someday. If you want to change your life, you'll have to fight for it, bleed for it, cry for it, but rise for it too. Discipline is doing the hard things, the painful things, the boring things, like you love them. Because discipline isn't punishment. It's the bridge between dreams and your reality. It does not matter who hurt you, who left, who doubted you. This is your chapter now. Your pain is not the end. It's the beginning of your power. You don't need permission. You need fire. So light it. Burn your excuses and rise like the beast you were born to be. You are not too late. You are not too old. You are exactly where you need to be to begin. Now, not tomorrow. Not when you feel ready. Now. You will be called crazy, obsessed, too intense. Let them talk. While they sleep, you grind. While they doubt, you rise. While they quit, you build.